Hello, good afternoon, learners. Our topic for today is volume of solid shapes, and our subtopic is volume of prisms and pyramids. Our learning objectives are: the first is we have to state the volume, the formula for volume of prisms, and the second is we have to state the formula for volume of pyramids. And we have to solve problems on volumes of prisms and pyramids. The formula for volume of prisms is given by area of cross section multiplied by the height. And as you all know, prisms are 3D shapes, as we discussed in the introductory aspect of our first lesson. So its volume is given by area of cross section multiplied by height. These are some of the examples of prisms. We have triangular prisms, square prisms, pentagonal prisms, rectangular prisms, hexagonal prisms, and trapezoidal prisms. The formula for volume of pyramids, on the other hand, is the volume of a pyramid is given by 1/3 multiplied by the base area times the height. And an example of a pyramid is shown in this diagram, where we have the edge, the vertex, and the face. Problems on prisms and pyramids. The first is a pyramid 20 cm high stands on a square base of 13 cm long. We have to calculate the volume. And our solution is volume of pyramid is equal to 1/3 multiplied by base area multiplied by the height. But for us to get the base area, since the base area is a square, its area is going to be L times L, which is L squared. And one of it is 13 cm. So it's going to be 13 times 13. So we have 1/3 multiplied by 13 times 13 times the height, which is 20 centimeters. And if we do our calculation very well, our answer will be 1126.67 cm cube. The second example says, consider a trapezoidal prism with length PS is equal to 6 cm and KR is equal to 4 cm. While the area of the cross section RU is 15 cm and the height PQ is 3 cm. We have to find the volume of the prism. So for us to get the volume of the prism, we'll say volume of prism is area of cross section times length. And area of the cross section is area of the trapezium, since it's a trapezoidal prism. And it's given by half of length QR plus PS times PQ. PQ is equal to SK. So using angle SKR, we'll have 5 times 5 is equal to 4 times 4 plus SK square. Finding the additive inverse of 16 on both sides gives us 25 minus 16 is equal to SK square. And the square root of 9 gives us SK when we take the square root on both sides. So our 3 is equal to SK. So area of the trapezium is equal to half of QR plus PS times PQ, which is equal to half of 10 plus 6, close bracket, times 3 is equal to half of 16 times 3. And that gives us 26 cm square. Assignment is, you have to calculate the volume of a pyramid with perpendicular height of 5 cm and the square base of side 7 cm. Why? You are calculating for the second one the height of a pyramid with a volume of 550 cm cube and the square base of 15 cm. Kindly solve the problems and submit back on this platform. And also, if you have any question, you record your question through a voice note, send it back, and I'll attend to you. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Bye bye.